match I done 2-1. Spain I got score still, because a good side we play.
Yeah.
But the match I done 2-1.
2-1
Yeah,
in favor of Argentina.
Could have won.
Well, for the truth, Argentina game kind of rigged when it comes to Argentina, but me ever wish for them fuck up Messi.
A lot of people going to come for me. You know, I don't think the games are rigged per se, but I do believe that, you know, some yellow cards weren't given when they should have been given. A lot of fouls were there.
Yeah, right. For example, you know, me is a fan of Christie, so I would want Christie win. So if I me the president, I would do everything in my favor to make Christie win. So I just the same thing.
There's corruption.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So seeing that they lost to Argentina, how do you feel about that side?
How am I supposed to feel?
Argentina, me hope no lose. Messi, me dislike you. Don't get me wrong, you know, you're one of the best, you know. Christie better do.
Jamal would have come like say a Messi son from a.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see me about.
I ain't bringing.
Yeah, but Argentina would have win it still.
But I do believe a lot of stuff were supposed to be called out that weren't called out.
A lot of suspicious.
Right.
Check 113. You know it's duttyboiilee. I was there in the streets again. I will ask the people about World Cup. We want to know who are going to win World Cup. Some say Argentina, some say Spain. Some still a vote for France to come back in a big out. Yo, I don't know what to do today. So right now we have Celestial Nation, black at the camera. And we are going to catch visuals them today. Aye! What you know about World Cup? Forward! I wouldn't know come to you know. Argentina going? Without a doubt. They win already. A lie. Where you say one Spain? Alright, somebody are the baddest artists.
Apple Music, everywhere you can find me, you see me? One Freezer than Panap, one Tavidan Music, you know what I think go. Tavidan Music on YouTube, everywhere, you know what I think go. Gringo.
Alright, so today we are asking about football, we are asking about World Cup. Which side you bring?
See man, Argentina.
Obvious.
Dark.
How long you carry them?
From your little pitney.
Long time.
Long time.
So you say them are go finals?
Yeah man, them are go finals.
Well, them they are finals, so them are win.
Yeah man, we are win for sure man.
So how you feel about, how you think the match will go Sunday?
The match I done 2-1. Spain I got score still, because a good side we play.
Yeah.
But the match I done 2-1.
2-1
Yeah,
in
man.
favor of Argentina.
Could have well.
So what if people are talking about Argentina say yo, I be a thief in a go on XYZ. What you feel about that?
I don't believe in a thief in a go on.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I just feel like people just don't like Messi. You get me I say? But yeah.
So
So I'm the only scorer, as well them say I'm alone a score goal and bag array.
Yeah.
But I feel say everything will go as planned and how it's supposed to go.
And them are yet on the goat, so.
Yeah man.
Alright, so like how Argentina your side, you can tell me 5 ball up on the team.
Yeah, I mean, Gatara, Martinez, Molina, you have Messi, you have the goalkeeper Martinez, you have 3 Martinez there.
Yeah.
You see me? You have Montiel, much of my gun.
About 6 you gone, you know.
6, alright.
Alright, bro. Big up yourself, you know.
Dark up man.
Bad artist,
Hey,
indeed.
tell me if you know where reap away your son. Hey, paranoid, never know I'm a mad stand. Hey, friend I kill friend, that my question. One freeze, hear that?
Bad. So we're here with.
Tiffany Suzari _ on Instagram.
Alright, so the question is, who you bring for World Cup?
I was going for England.
England.
I'm gone home.
How you feel a way about it?
Not really. It's not the end of the world. Like, yeah, but it's not the end of the world.
You thought they had a chance.
Yeah.
So how you feel about the match?
Boy. A lot of people going to come for me. You know, I don't think the games are rigged per se, but I do believe that, you know, some yellow cards weren't given when they should have been given. A lot of fouls were there, but as I said, it's not the end of the world.
Yeah, we're still living.
We're still living.
Yeah, so alright, so seeing that they lost to Argentina, how do you feel about that side?
How am I supposed to feel? They're a good side. You know, they have strong players, right? As I said, other people would say the games are rigged. I don't think so personally, but I do believe a lot of stuff were supposed to be called out that weren't called out.
A lot of suspicious.
Right. But Argentina is naturally a strong side. You know, they're one of South America's strongest sides. So, I mean, hey, somebody has to win, though, right?
So you think they are going to win finals?
I don't know yet. If I knew, I would have bet on it, but I don't know.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure. Maybe. Spain is also strong, you know, football, Europe football, hand in hand. So, I don't know. It's a 50-50 chance. Let's see.
All right. Seeing that you said England you were going to bring England, but
Yeah.
them drop out. Can you name 5 ballers from the England side?
Kane, Jed Spence, Bellingham, of course, Ezzy. Yeah, nobody else not come to mind right now.
At least you get 4. I mean, that's a lot.
4 more years, England will come back. The players are young, they're strong. They have time. They'll work on their craft. They'll fix what they need to fix, and they'll come back stronger next time. They'll take it home, hopefully. Let's see.
All right. Thank you. All right.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Same to you. All right. So we're there with a top jealous. Where your name, bro?
Zidane, you know.
All right. Which side do you bring for World Cup?
One Brazil, see and wave now drop out.
One Brazil said we, bro. You know where it go. So what you know? How you feel? Say them drop out, them lose to Norway.
Well, you know, we don't feel no way, because when I check his stats, we never really yet beat them in a game, and then again, the time when we could have a chance to beat them now, Neymar never there, and I first off, you see me, them put him on late and things, so that's how it was GG said with.
Alright, so everybody has said Argentina decide for watch. What you feel about them going into the finals?
Well, for the truth, Argentina game kind of rigged when it comes on to Argentina, you see me, but ever wish for them fuck up Messi, because it's a thing where I be a thief, Mr. Guan, and when I check it out, FIFA president, they come in like say, yeah, Mr. Big, Messi boy too, when I check out your...
Stop. What do you mean by that?
You see me? So,
You said they favor Messi.
yeah, all of that.
So they might rig the game for
Argentina win, you see me? Because you know, I Messi last World Cup and thing, and if you are going to be a fan of the doctor, you know, yeah, right, for example, you know, me is a fan of Christie, so I want Christie win. So if I me the president, I do everything in my favor to make Christie win. So I just the same thing.
It's corruption.
Yeah.
Alright, so how you feel about do against Spain?
Spain, well, good question, but I feel like them probably win, and I feel like say Spain have a chance to win it, because when I check it out, you know, you have Messi there from Argentina, you have Yamal, you know, 2 great players, you see me, but when you check out the ratio, Yamal would have come in like say a Messi son from a...
Yeah,
you see me, but...
I ain't bring him.
But Argentina would have win it still.
Because of the corruption.
Yeah.
So Spain never have a chance.
No, them we have a chance, yes, but depends on how them play.
Oh, alright. Alright, what you know? You say a Brazil on your side.
Yeah.
You can name 5 players from the Brazil team?
Alright, you have Neymar, that's the greatest. Then me have Vinny. Yeah, wait, man. You don't wait. Fuck that.
And on your side?
On my side, yes, but...
You don't know?
Me don't know no more.
Alright, you know how much World Cup Brazil win?
5.
Alright, bro. You did shout out the social?
Social. No, I'm not really on a social. Right?
Bro, big up here. Respect for his strength.
But if you want the social, no, 99 cars on TikTok.
Alright. Who you are representing a World Cup?
Tell you honest truth, the Brazil me represent.
One Brazil man, I'm here, bro.
Tell you honest truth, my side no play no ball game. My side no play no ball game. No, right now, when I see right now in the World Cup, Argentina. You see me?
Straight.
Them a play ball game. No joke, whether them say them thief or them not thief. But to tell you honest truth, for a team like that, I make a next side beat them 1-0 and then I come score in a 80th minute. That's impossible, bro. Everybody have to witness say, oh, Messi, I go to through.
Yeah.
What Christy do? Yeah, Christy bad enough, but you never will bother on the Messi. Messi are the greatest thing. I may be honest with that, Messi, I go.
So I'm a baller?
No. Baller gone, Neymar, baller.
Neymar.
So I go, you see me? Alive.
But I give props to?
I give props to Argentina. Go on, good man. And deserve to reach the final. England and them play with you. I'm telling you honest truth that the coach give an England match. Yeah, because you take off all of your striker them and put on bare defenses. So we expect you're going to problem. You see me? Pressure go reach your team. So where Argentina do now, them see say, you go do that, them put pressure on your team and that's how come them score. And
So where feel about the final? How you think final will go? You think a straight Argentina?
to tell the honest truth, that game there gonna be a rough game, you know? Because Spain a bounce ball, Argentina a bounce ball. So I'm gonna tell you the honest truth, that's going to be a tough game. But who best win? Who best team win? Better side win. Because when I tell you the honest truth, Sunday coming and a normal match.
Big man ball.
Big man ball game.
A big man ball game. Big man ball game, me tell Billiard. Big man ball game, me tell Billiard.
A big man ball game and a joke thing. Name is Duvain still not complaining, you see me? But anyway, big man ball game Sunday. Yeah, we know we're going to watch the match with England and France. But the final, I want to see what a little boy named Lamal doing. Yeah, against the great boat cars, bad man. Lamal are just 18 years old, 19.
Yeah.
Messi at 39. Messi at kick ball like saying I'm 20 same way.
Yeah.
I show the world, say, oh, you know, I say him done, him not done.
Fresh and still active.
Still fresh and active, man. One Messi, man, one vote, you see me? And the world have to know that, man, you see me? Christy doing best, but sorry, voting on him. Drop out early, but just say, not make it to the final without, I don't know if you say that. God see that. World Cup are nice. When them say, oh, Argentina, a thief. Why? A ball game, ball round.
Yeah, any man.
Any man win. Big man, a big man, boy, a boy. So if you can't manage that, sorry.
Yeah. 12 o'clock in the middle of the night, I was still there at town. Bro, it's drastic out here, bro. The people must say Argentina take home the bag. Me not really sure. Me feel say Brazil can come back. Brazil drop out already. I cut where I cut right now because the place I get dark about 12 minutes to 12 right now. So I cut where I cut now. Jano, the people say Argentina go win, you know. Argentina fans, you know, comment and tell me. Who not go win? Who not afraid of Spain? Who not afraid of Spain? Yo, cut this dog. Go again.
Somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, yo, what you say? Like a sheet spread, you could 12 left next that mash up in head. I go keep my third world girl instead. She's easy, Mickey, so she did it. Lama, Paris.